Fancy a quickie, history, science, WTF. Today's quickie, what is gravity? Gravity is what makes everything pull toward everything else. It's why apples fall, why the moon orbits Earth, why you're not floating in your chair. But what is it really? Isaac Newton figured out the what. Gravity pulls things together, but he didn't know how. Then Einstein came along. He said space and time are like a stretchy fabric. Massive objects like planets bend that fabric, and gravity is the result of things moving along those curves. Imagine putting a bowling ball on a trampoline. A marble nearby rolls toward it. That's gravity. And the bigger the mass, the more it warps space, and the stronger the pull. So why don't planets and moons just fall straight in? Planets move sideways because of how they formed, from spinning clouds of gas and dust pulled together by gravity. As gravity pulls them inward, their sideways motion keeps them falling around the star instead of straight into it. This explains everything from why planets orbit stars to why black holes trap light. And it's not just downward. Gravity pulls in all directions. You just feel Earth's pull more because it's massive. Without gravity, stars wouldn't form, planets wouldn't orbit, and we'd all be drifting in the void. So, could a massive spaceship have gravity? Technically, yes, but only if it's enormous, like moon-sized. Normal ships aren't massive enough to generate noticeable gravity. That's why sci-fi uses tricks like spinning ships for fake gravity, or just makes stuff up, like gravity generators. Dr. Quickie's final thought. Gravity isn't just a force. It's the invisible glue that holds the entire universe together. Stay grounded, stay curious. Dr. Quickie out. Subscribe for more face-melting quickies. Fancy another one?